find me in Lapland, Finland, just a stone's throw from a Mr. and Mrs. Claus. This year, I don't even need a Christmas list. I can just write it out, make a paper plane, and do that, and it will reach its rightful destination. But Christmas has come really early this year because all I want for Christmas is the Audi Ice Driving Experience.
Get the speaker box loud, hitting that stuff till you hearing that sound. Hitting that stuff till you hearing that sound.
So, the question is, why is ice driving so much fun? And you know, for me at least, the best part about driving is not the speed, but it's feeling the car under you. It's having a relationship with the machine. It's being at one with the machine. And there is no better place to do it than on the ice. You really have to, it's almost like doing a waltz. It's like doing a dance. The principles stay the same. You brake before a corner, you turn in gently, and it's slow in, fast out. But it's all those things that you feel with no fear, because we're in the snow, we're on the ice, we're on an ice lake. Worst case scenario, you go off into a snowbank, no harm done, except for the embarrassment of getting on the radio and calling the tractor driver to pull you out. The car that we're driving today is an Audi RS4 Avant, an Audi RS4 wagon. And it's amazing just how versatile these machines are and just what they're capable of. Of course, Audi and Quattro are synonymous. The Audi Quattro from the 1980s was the famous rally car which was completely dominant, and it destroyed the competition, and it also was so fast that eventually that whole category had to be outlawed. But Audi has been developing the Quattro technology ever since, and that's why the ice driving experience and Audi Quattro are synonymous today. And it's amazing just how versatile this machine is. It's a family car, it's a wagon, it's a performance car because it's an RS model. And the only difference between this and the car that you can buy in showrooms, well, you can't buy an RS4 Avant in India, but you can buy other RS models, and I'll tell you in a minute why that's important. The only difference between this and the production model is that this has a set of tires with studs in them. So it's got steel studs to dig into to dig through the snow and into the surface below to give you grip. That's the only difference. And then you can get onto an ice lake and you can do this. So the pertinent question here is, how can you do this for yourself? Well, firstly, you need to buy an Audi RS model. Do that, get in touch with your dealer, and tell him to put you on the list. Balbir Singh Dhillon, the head of Audi India, says Audi India has amazing brand loyalty, and that every fourth car that they sell is to an existing Audi owner. And the way they retain that brand loyalty is by creating experiences like this, which is really and truly and genuinely a once-in-a-lifetime experience that you will remember forever. this is an absolutely phenomenal experience. If you want to feel the essence of driving, if you want to feel the car moving under you, if you want to be at one with the machine, and if you want to understand driving dynamics like never before, this is the place to do it. This is absolutely the place to do it. So, go out, buy that RS model, put yourself on a list, and maybe one day you will find yourself on an ice lake in Finland, because believe me, this is a once-in-a-lifetime experience that you really want to figure out how you can experience. Genuinely, it is the most fun that you can have with your clothes on. And I mean all your clothes, because it's freezing, but it's worth it.